In this video, we will be using 1/8" cable rail kits for wood railings, available at many local building suppliers. 1/8" cable rail kits are perfect for all residential and light commercial projects. These prefabricated kits are sold in 5-foot increments at lengths from 5 feet to 70 feet. Each kit has a threaded terminal end which has been permanently attached to the cable with a special hydraulic press. The kit includes a snug grip washer nut and flat washers, as well as a quick-connect inset fitting for the other end of the cable. In this video, we are using dome-style stainless steel end caps to cover, protect, and provide a finished look to the cable rail installation. End caps are available in other styles and are sold separately. We will also need protector sleeves for the 4 corner posts. Make sure you have all your cable rail kits and accessories before you begin installation. You will also need the following tools: tape measure, safety glasses, work gloves, pencil, hammer, cable rail cable cutters, 7/16" wrench, crescent wrench, vice grip pliers, square, electric drill, drill bits, electric grinder with cutoff disc and grinding disc, cable release tool, Feeney cable lacing needle, Feeney tension gauge,